Hi guys, hope you will be fine and in the high state of belief and health. Today I have got my another chicken dinner, and today the vlog is particularly about the PUBG series, Heyday series, and along with the series Boom Beach series. Now you are watching that these gift I have got in my chicken dinner, triple elimination, my new medal, and eliminated. So the next one is that I am the most viral player or most vigilant player, and elimination 7, damage 935, assist 1, rescue 0. So crown 4 I think is my right now. If I would like to say that it would be, and my same casual dressing with the tie, with the mask, and I like the most. And here you can see YT Professor-MA-Raza, my name. I'm on top one, winner, chicken dinner. So I am giving, let me just give them a like, and let's move to the lobby right now, and loading 50%, and move. Guys, you know there are a lot of problems of disconnectivity, but that is much better than any other countries. So I've got some more medals, and I've got another, I'm collecting another reward, and that is might be eliminated 2 enemies with AR in any mode, and now here you can see my YT Professor-MA-Raza, my ID, and here I'm gonna pick some more daily missions. These missions are remaining till now. I have collected PUBG login reward and so on. Okay, and let's move to the RP, and okay, I'm not gonna upgrade it right now, and I have a lot of so I'm not going to buy the pass right now, as I have lot of I have UCs, more than 237 UCs with me, 8167 gold, and my RP I think so. So this is my ID 5355942519, 57 level players level, and 43 evo level. So my clan name is, before I'm not inviting them right now. So my clan is YT Professor-MA-Raza, 89% per 0.2 weekly rank, and seasonal rank 94.6, and at level 1 10701 total points. And I request you to invite, I also request you to all to join my clan as quickly as possible. So as you are watching me here right now, and these are the clan mottos: hope and cause, legend of sorry again, clan announcement, and open cause, heyday, boom beach, and PUBG. Okay, so my clan training ranking is 50% right now, 100% usability online, one player, because we have two player in this, and 236 royal clan, 17,520 the clan energy right now, and next target is of gold is to 6,000, and 2,360 gold is available here right now, and clan trainings is remaining. And here I'm back at my 57 level returner. is given me, and we two players XJ Zhu Shi, I think she's from China, and I have some more players inshallah from different other countries. So I'm not going to show up anything, but I'm gonna show you that welcome back. And now let's move to the RP, or let's move to the next level. mm, as you can see, so here are some important, so let me check my friend list before going. I'm also searching for the RP and news, and here is my classic ranking for TTP, and Erangel is my best. I played in Erangel, mostly, and I have now my earnings, sorry, now my updatings are being installed here right now, as you can see there. And for the next particular, and, my I'm in Europe zone 2024 1 and 4 1 sorry, January 4th January and 9:20 is my time here. And I would like to request to all of you that if you are searching for a particular, why I'm playing PUBG, because for English player I use English and I use spoken English. For Gulf players I use Arabic, spoken Arabic, and it also create me and give me. So here you can see my level, and 63 level, it's enough for me, as I like it very much. And but in heyday I'm on 98 level, and in Boom Beach I'm on 70 level. So let me see that. And I have purchased, sorry, I have ranked and gifted all the things which were available in free mode. In my next level I will definitely try my best to give you a review of purchased royal pass, and we will do our best, and I will definitely try my best to give you. Here is a reindeer, and my next, my weekly challenges. So let's collect, eliminate 3 enemies with, so that's another. Okay, I'm not going to purchase the royal pass in this vlog, but I will definitely purchase the I will definitely create a new vlog with purchased royal pass, and I will try my best to affiliate, and I'll try my best to give, and some sort of particular and important points. So here you can see that my all PUBG related, I have give you a short glimpse and in briefing details that what is and what are the levels and ranks, and which I have available on my PUBG. So here you can see that I have 237 UC, 8167 gold. I'm on crown level, as you can see my crown on the top corner, upper corner. And here is my this week lucky teammates, Killer Kingle and Jawad Imel, and DSM Jax. So ace, platinum and gold they have. So here's my friends Versi, and the balcony of my friends. lucky spin, exit game now, and move to the let's move to the right, and let's move to the heyday right now. And heyday is opening, and let's check about, yeah, the fisherman to replay the fishing and lobster tutorials are also available on in heyday. I have got my 98 level, as you can see. And let me just give you, yeah, here, Professor-MA-Raza, thanks for like. So I'm on level 98, and I'm on the nearest century. Let's get the balloon. Let's check the derby before, no, first farm pass. So here you can see neighborhood dreamland derby, tag 99CLOJ90, sorry, J9Q. So you can join our derby. We have lot of derby, as you can see, members 10, and here you can see all my members of the derby. And here's are the trophies, and we have lot of trophies in professional league, and in novice league, and in expert league, and in rocky leagues. And the next, um, as you can see that here is my, so let's that's my roadside shop. And here, I want to give you a brief as you are watching. So here you can see, let's move to the further. So I'm gonna quit it right now and give you my next game, and which is Boom Beach. So let's opening, it's the opening style of Boom Beach. As you can see, Supercell, the both developers of Boom Beach and Heyday are Supercell. So here you can see Zuka's my, and now you can see my all military is on training, and I'm on major level. And here you can see corporal, sergeant, and we have, now let's move to the armory. I have all the residencies in economy, in defense. All the buildings are clear. In defense, all the buildings are clear. In sport, I have all the medals, sorry, all the dignities. And in decoration, I have all medals, as you can see. And now let's move to the armory and see what is here. Everything is at max level. Zuka's max, and tanks are at max level, and scorchers are at max levels, and everything, as you can see. And they are on max level. So let's move, complete the training here, and let's move to fight somewhere. So today no mission available. So let's check the, okay, troops are ready now. So we are going to Colonel Gerhardt's factory, armor factory, we are going to destroy. So let's attack. So here you can see that was damage done by in my previous attack. So now I'm on my this second attack, or third might be. There are total 5 attacks available on this particular job or task, as you can see. And oh, I've got a leading strategy. So I might be on 10 or 20%. I'm not sure. Let's see what happened to me. But maybe we will destroy the factory. And let's see, war factory, and we are trying our best. The war factory level is 90, and my Boom Beach level is 70. So we are trying our best to, and let's see, I hope so that I will try to catch the destroying of and let's see what happen. So that's the best game for resource management. These three games, uh, I like PUBG for spoken English and spoken Arabic, and I like Heyday and Boom Beach for the resource management. So here I can see, I'm not sure about that it would be able. Let's do it for 3x and let's see what happened to the next, but I'm not sure that it might be. Let's see what happen. mm, 2 minutes and 14 seconds are remaining. Let's 3x and see what happens. Okay, okay, okay. 1 minutes and 23 and 1 minutes almost remaining. 54, 49, 30, 20, 10 and 0. Oops, it was quite near, but anyhow, I think I have one or two more attacks remaining. Two attacks are remaining, so I will definitely destroy it. And anyhow, I've got a lot of things. So, inshallah, I will definitely rearrange it. And let's see. Let's back to the game again. And here you can see my iron chest or vault is completely filled. My stone vault is also near 50%. My wood wall is. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.